Hey guys, it's Jamie at DeerBunny Farm. Today Paige is here with me. We're super excited. We're staying our 6 feet apart, but we're still filming together. And we are going to be showing you blueberry swirl. I think we're gonna call it blueberry swirl. I hope you really enjoy. This is one of our best sellers every summer. It smells like fresh, sweet blueberry jam. It's super awesome. Let's get started. First things first, we have our goat milk and our lye water. All right, let's get our fragrance. For this one, I know this is like, I think the third fragrance I ever tried is this one. So I know how it performs, and I know that I can handle stick blending it in really quick and then still be able to stick blend in my colors. So most fragrances I wouldn't do this. I would stick blend in the colors before I do the fragrance, but for this one it's all good. I love the smell.
Why are we separating it?
Because we're gonna do different colors in it. Blueberry is always kind of a tough one because you want blue in there, but in reality blueberries are more purpley. So I'm gonna be using a few different colors. I'm gonna be using purple, blue, and then black, and we kind of just mix this stuff around until we get the general color that we want. It's a little tricky. And I'm gonna do 3 different colors that would represent blueberries at all different levels of ripeness. So generally you want to mix blues and purples, but I like some to be a little more blue, some to be a little more purple, some to be a little more black. So
Makes me think of Michigan. South Haven.
I know, blueberries always make me think of South Haven too.
And it's blueberry season.
Yes.
Is it?
Not
In Michigan,
quite.
is it?
Not quite yet. I think usually more like August-y. We're just gonna swirl it up. This is gonna be a very swirly, random mess, which is how I like it. And then I'm gonna swirl it even more after I have all the colors mixed in here, because really, like, if you make, I like this one to look kind of like a blueberry dessert, and if you make a blueberry dessert, you get all the purple and blue colors mixed throughout, like, randomly, and they kind of all mix and run together. So
It smells so good.
I know, it's one of my favorites. It reminds me of that blueberry shop where you could get the blueberry flavored honey on South Haven.
I like their chocolate covered blueberries.
Yeah, see, I've never really liked chocolate covered blueberries.
Yeah, it's because you're a sadist.
I like chocolate covered raisins.
Yeah, because you're a sadist.
I'm gonna put my partitions in, and then I'm going to swirl each row. And then we have super cute little blueberries that I made out of soap. They're not real blueberries, so don't worry. And we're gonna put those along the top, along with some glitter. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, Boop, boop, boop. Alright guys, we're gonna unmold our blueberry soaks. They look gorgeous and they are making my house smell so good. It makes me want blueberry scones really bad. We have this coffee place here in Searcy. It's called Mr. Postman and it's how I ship all my products, and they make these homemade blueberry scones that are so good. And the other day I took the kids there and they were just pulling all their scones out of the oven, so we got them like fresh and hot. They were amazing. And they smell exactly like this. So the weather is really nice, so I got the kids a little water table from the dollar store. It's like 15 bucks, totally worth it. They're out there with the hose and a little tiny inflatable pool and the water table, and you would think that it was like the best day ever. It just made me think about how much I wish that I was still so easily occupied. Like, those kids can stare at the sky and just watch clouds and talk about the shapes of the clouds. Like, that's such a storybook kind of thing to enjoy doing, and they legitimately enjoy doing that. And it kind of feels like, man, it stinks being an adult because you stop enjoying life like that. It's kind of sad, but that's one of the coolest parts of being a parent, is realizing how neat things like that are, just really simple things. Like a beautiful day and a hose. All right. So these are ready to be cut. Let me grab the cutter. Alright guys, sorry, we're getting a little helper. Okay. Levi, oh my goodness, these are so cute. Why? Because I said so.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. We're really happy to be filming together again. We hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. As always, check out our website, our social media at DeerBunny Farm, and like and subscribe.